Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to be starting today's video in my new apartment. So I'm standing right here in my kitchen and I literally just got the keys, and I figured before I start moving some things into the new apartment that I would do a quick, empty apartment tour. I'm just so excited to start decorating this space and just share with you guys the process, so definitely stay tuned. So if you are new here, definitely consider hitting subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. Cannot wait to share, and give this video a like if you liked it. So I cannot wait to share with you guys, so let's get on with the tour. Okay, so we are standing outside my front door. So this is my front door, and then when you walk in, this is just like a utility closet. And then this is like the view. I already have some packages that came in, but this first closet here is like a little coat closet. So nice, everything nice and white, which I love. And I love these floors too. They're like a washed wood, kind of like a gray color to them, which is really nice. Everything's nice and light and bright. So then we come over here to this like more open space. So this is where we're gonna have a table and chairs. It has like a little lighting fixture here. And then over here, so I was either thinking at first I thought I was gonna do like an entry table over here, but then I figured if I ever wanna add a mirror on top of it, then the light switches would be in the way. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put the entry table over here on this wall off to the side, and I think that would be really nice there. So we're gonna come back to this section near the end of the tour, but this is then the kitchen over here. So again, the same kind of flooring, which is so nice. I have on my new, these are Gucci dupes. I got them just recently and they're so comfy, you guys. I'll link them below. So yes, this is the kitchen. It has the stainless steel, which I love. It has a dishwasher, the granite countertops, and you guys, they were so sweet. They gave me this like little welcome package when I came into my apartment. This was sitting here on the counter. They gave like pumpkin flavored pizzelles and just like Pellegrino and some pasta and sauce and everything, which I thought was so sweet. Such a nice like little welcome to the apartment. And then I made this sign. If you guys didn't see my Instagram, I had this like for my Instagram post. Then there's just like my purse, but there's like the bar area here, nice counter space, stove, an oven, and then the microwave. There's a lot of nice cabinet space. So I cannot wait to like begin organizing everything. Maybe I could do like an organizational video. If you want to see that, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Lots of open counter space here for like appliances and whatnot. I probably won't do too much because I don't like cluttered countertops. And then I'm just gonna do all these drawers. I have to line them. Maybe I'll do that today. And then the freezer and refrigerator. Cannot wait to fill that up. I could do grocery hauls for you guys. So yeah, that is like a little look at the kitchen, and then I'm gonna get some bar stools. Here's what it looks like from here. So I'm gonna get some bar stools, maybe like 3, maybe 4, I don't know. We're gonna see how many are gonna fit. So then this open space here, I love how it's like all open so it's not so closed off. So over here, sorry, the lighting changed a bit because I'm going against the light, but this is the living area. So I'm gonna do like TV and bookcases and maybe something like that over on this wall. So we have a big open space here. Sorry, it's not wanting to focus, being that it's just like a blank wall. There's nothing to really focus on. And then I'm gonna do like area rug here. And then I already ordered a couch. So that's gonna go on this wall here. Then we're gonna go into like my bedroom, bathroom area. And again, nice bright light. I love all the windows. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot to show you guys. There is like a little balcony out here, like a little, I could put like, I'm gonna do some patio furniture. Now we come into my bedroom. Again, nice big windows, which I love. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna put my bed on this wall here because it has the most space. I can do the bed and the nightstand. And then I'm not quite sure yet of where to put the dresser, like my dresser, and then I have a vanity and mirror. So maybe something either this wall or that wall. We'll just have to see when I get everything in, but love all that. And then in this section here, so I'm standing in my bedroom, we have 3 doors. This is the walk-in closet. This is, I think this is a linen closet, and then my bathroom. So I'll show you guys the walk-in closet. I'm so excited about the walk-in closet. So this, turn the light on. This is a nice, really big walk-in closet with the shelving here. Definitely have to fill in all my clothes in here. So then we'll shut this light off and then close this. And then I'll show you guys just really quickly the linen. And then here's the linen closet. Cannot wait to like do some organization in here. So there's a lot, there's a lot of space to work with here. So that's the linen closet. And then the bathroom, which I love how much space this bathroom has. Here's me, little OOTD here. I'm wearing this belted cardigan that I got. Remember I did the Abercrombie try-on haul? Love this cardigan. So I wore this today, and then the lace trim cami, and then some of my favorite jeans. Don't know if you guys can see, but I'm wearing those jeans. And then this, look how nice and big this mirror is. Love all the counter space too. I love the white countertop too. And then lots of drawer space and cabinet space. So again, lots of organizational projects. Here's like what the flooring looks like. And then this is the first bath. So this is like the master bathroom. There's another bathroom. You can see me in the reflection, but there's a shower. And that's it pretty much for the bathroom. Okay, so I'm walking in my bathroom. I'll show you guys again, just so you can get an idea. So we're walking in my living room here. And now we're going back to that space where I showed you guys, because there is a washer and dryer in here, which again, I really like that this is in my apartment inside. So washer, dryer, I'm not gonna get too in depth because it's not that exciting. So then all the shelving space for all my supplies. There's that. There's another bathroom off. So this is the second bedroom, but I'm making this my office and closet, just like you guys saw in my last closet tour. This is the bathroom. This is the second bathroom. Here's a look. It's pretty much the same thing, just that it's a smaller counter space in here. And then this though has a bathtub and shower combination. So that's a nice feature, which I really like. So yeah, pretty much, it's still nice and open though. So that's that bathroom. And then we will go into my office. So let's head into, this bedroom is actually bigger than the other one I showed you guys, but I'm gonna keep it as my office and closet because this is where I'm gonna do like my work. I want a nice large like open space because I need the room for the IKEA pack system, which I think is gonna go here. Sorry guys, if it goes out of focus, it's just because there's nothing to focus on. But so as I was saying though, yeah, I'm just gonna measure this out and make sure that will all fit there. If not, I could do like a corner unit or something off to the side. So yeah, this is pretty much like a nice big open space. These two windows here too. I might put like my mirror in between these two windows as it'll bring a lot of light in. It'll be nice and bright for like try-ons and stuff. And then this walk-in closet is huge, you guys. So again, this will be, I think I might either store some like newer clothes in here as well as like all my filming equipment, like lighting, because that could just take up a lot of space. And if I ever just want to just put it away and not see it, then it could just go in here and I could just store a lot of things in here. This video, you can't get it all in at once, but yeah, it's a really nice big open closet. As you can see, it's just so nice and open. So that is, yeah, there's a light in here too. So I'll shut that off. So that is, wow, I'm really blown out here in this frame because it's so bright. But yeah, that is the whole, that's the second bedroom, which as I said, cannot wait to move my office into this space. So that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a look around my new apartment. You guys just so excited to begin this new chapter and just share it with all of you. So lots more decorating videos to come. I'll definitely be sure to share the process and then like an final apartment tour if you guys want to see that. So if you do want to see a completed like apartment tour all decorated, give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys want to see it. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Definitely consider hitting subscribe on the way out, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.